What we are going to do is write a quadratic function in vertex form with a graph whose vertex is 2, -1, and which passes through the point 5, 5. I want to draw your attention to the highlighted yellow area. I'm going to collect some information here. I'm going to tell you that h equals 2 and k equals -1. And I'm going to write the vertex form over here. Y equals a times x minus h quantity squared plus k. And now I'm going to substitute. Y equals a times x minus 2 quantity squared plus -1. And I hope you see where those two substitutions happened. I'm going to simplify just a little bit. Y equals a times x minus 2 quantity squared minus 1. And everything is done except I don't have a. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to find a by using the information provided that you see in green. This is just one point. We're just going to use it long enough so that we have our a identified. So on this point, x equals 5 and y equals 5. So I'm going to now write my new version of this equation, and I'll highlight the places where the substitution occurred, right there and right there. And now I'm going to solve this equation for a. So I have So I have 5 equals a times 3 squared minus 1. I'm going to add 1 to both sides. So I have 5 equals a times 3 squared. That's a mistake. I'm fixing that. That should be a 6. And 3 squared is 9. When I divide both sides by 9, I have 6 over 9 equals a, and that means that a equals 2/3. So I'm going to use that, a equals 2/3, to substitute into my equation. Y equals 2/3 x minus 2 quantity squared minus 1. And I'm going to color code the substitution that you see so that you can see what happened there. And that's the answer to this whole exercise. Y equals 2/3 times x minus 2 quantity squared minus 1. Thank you and have a nice day.